Not much, just walking around. I've only been here for about 15 minutes.
Right. We had officers that drove by and saw you pulling out of here, walking out of here, and said that you were recording them as they left. And that's an issue. Why are we doing that?
I don't have to have a reason.
You don't have a reason.
I don't have to have one.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license? I can see.
I don't.
What is your name?
I'm not going to give that to you.
You're not going to give it to me.
No. Why would I give it to you? I haven't done anything wrong.
Well, you're recording our property. You're recording our building.
Sure.
And it's a security issue for us.
Am I being detained?
You are.
Okay. So in order to detain somebody, you have to have a law that you're investigating, correct? So what law are you? What law do you suspect me of breaking?
Are you looking to create a problem here for us?
No, not at all. I'm being polite and cordial.
I'm being polite and cordial too. So I'm asking for
being a
your
little
name and date of
difficult.
birth so we can identify you.
I don't need to.
And be on our way.
Why would I need to identify myself?
Because I'm asking you to identify yourself.
What's your name and badge number?
My name is Todd Hines. My badge number is 200.
I mean, you have to have
so are
reasonable.
you refusing to identify yourself?
Well, there's no need to.
3916. Can we get?
Are you a supervisor? Okay. You just called for a supervisor?
I did.
Very good. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you bet.
I don't have any ill will. I'm not here to hurt anybody. I'm not armed.
With identifying yourself.
I don't need to.
You don't need to.
No, it's my right to not.
Oh, so you're looking to create problems is what you're doing.
No, you're just accusing me of that.
Absolutely, because you're refusing to identify yourself.
That's not against the law.
It's obstructing legal process if we have a reason to ask you.
What's your reason? If you have a reasonable, articulable suspicion. And what is that?
You're looking to create problems is what you're doing.
Is that what I'm doing? By just filming and exercising my First Amendment rights?
That is my opinion, yes.
Okay. Well, the good thing is the law doesn't go off your opinion.
But it does when you're obstructing our requests.
You can't, you can request, right? But it's not a lawful order.
It is a lawful order at this point.
And
as soon as my sergeant gets up here, he's going to tell you the same thing.
Okay.
Okay? So what's the problem with identifying yourself?
I just don't.
You don't have to.
I just don't need to.
You don't need to.
Yeah, I haven't broken any laws, and you just said you.
Nope, nobody said you broke any laws. I just said that your activity is suspicious to us.
Okay, and is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
Listen, it's a concern for our safety and our welfare.
And I'm not here to do any ill will. I've told you that.
We don't know that.
I've told you that.
You could be. Who knows?
Well, sure. It's the middle of the daylight. I'm not hiding anything. I've literally hidden nothing.
Believe me, people commit crimes in the middle of the daylight too.
Fair enough. Well, like I said, you're not accusing me of anything, which I get, and I appreciate you saying that. But that even more so just says that I don't have to identify myself. It's my First Amendment to film public officials doing what they do.
We'll see what the sergeant has to say here when he gets here. He's refusing to identify himself so that we know who we're dealing with.
Okay, you don't want to identify yourself?
Well, I don't need to. He said he doesn't suspect me of a crime or anything, and I'm just
asking.
No, but no, sir, I don't.
Just asking. Okay, we're good. Let's go.
Okay. My name's John, by the way. Thanks. Take care, guys.
Cooperation, America.
What's that?
I like the way the guy gave his name at the end. Kind of let the officers know that he didn't care to really give it or not. He just didn't have to. I thought that was legit. What can I say? I probably wouldn't have given my name just because principle involved with that. I think this guy was just kind of having a good time with it. This guy actually knew his rights. The guy sort of sounds like James Freeman. I don't know who it is. I got it off one of those channels who just shares videos and doesn't give credit. So if you guys know who the actual videographer is, please let me know so I can actually give the guy credit in my description and in my pinned comments. That's what I do, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope we learned something from this. Know your rights. If you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. I've heard police officers say it, and I've heard a judge tell me that as well. If you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.